First, we need to program the finished artwork. After programming the pattern, copy it into the USB flash drive and then use the USB flash drive to import the pattern into the embroidery machine. Second, we have to prepare the embroidered base fabric. Take a roll of cloth and first carry out the back pressure over protection film on the cloth. After the film is pressed on the cloth, roll the cloth and install it on the embroidery machine. Third, now we open the cloth on which has the laminated film. Spread it on the platform of the embroidery machine and fix it with the clamping plate. Then we prepare the embroidery thread on the machine, connect the wire, and adjust it before commissioning. Now we put the pattern into the embroidering machine program to start embroidering. The entire embroidery process is completed by the machine. Our staff needs to guard the working machine being embroidered at all times to prevent problems such as machine breakage in the middle. After the embroidery is completed, remove the embroidered base fabric on the machine and take it to the laminating room to apply the adhesive. Now the adhesive is successfully applied, then we will get to the cutting room and cut the embroidered patterns one by one. Cutting is divided into computer laser cutting and manual cutting. This pattern is hand cut. We are finished cutting. Then the patches are sent to the quality control department for quality checking, which is done one by one. We make sure the patches have reached the quality standards. It's time for packaging. These are the whole processes of how to make embroidered patches. Thanks for your viewing.